Benny, here.
I love you too.
Who's that?
15151.
Next page.
I love you round and round the world.
Grandpa! Ha!
And when it seems impossible to love you more, I do.
Who was that? Who was that?
I love
Oh. Oh.
I love you like that. I love you quick.
Look, Benny.
A gift for Penny, read to you by Grandma and Grandpa.
Grandpa, Grandma. Grandma. Can you say Grandpa?
Mama.
Grandpa, Grandma.
Nana.
That's right.
I love you too. When raindrops
Grandma. It's Grandma. Who is that? Who is that? Can you turn the page?
I love you round and round the world.
Oh, all done. No?
I love you round and round the world. I love you through. I love you too.
I don't know if that's gonna work.
151.
Whoa. Grandpa.
I love you round and round the world. I love you through and through.
Who is
And
Grandpa?
when it seems impossible to love you more, I do.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Here, you gotta... Here, let's do this. There. Here you go.
All the way to I love you.
Don't step on the book.
Read to you by Grandma and Grandpa.
Can you say, hi, Grandma? Can you blow him a kiss? Mwah. Yeah. Yep. Can you shut the book? All done. Mm-hmm.
I love you round and round the world. I love you through. I love you like the honeybee. I love you when you are quiet, and I love you when you are loud.
Who's that? Who's reading to
I
you?
love you too when raindrops fall. 1 by 1
Grandma.
by 1. I love you closer than your shadow. I love you further than the sun. I love you too when raindrops fall. 1 by 1 by 1.
Can you say one? One. How old are you? How old? How old are you? One. All done with the book. Can we put it away? Can you say night-night? Night-night. Mm-hmm.
I love you when you are quiet, and I love you when you are loud.
Loud. Was that Grandma? Grandma.
I love you too when raindrops fall.
Okay, that's good.